Bill Blatch of Bordeaux Gold. I just wanted to say a few words about how the 2009 campaign went for these three less expensive Sauternes. Don't like to say the word cheaper, so it's less expensive Sauternes. Chateau Bastor Lamontagne, Chateau Broustet, second growth Barsac, and Chateau Filhot, second growth Sautern. Three completely different styled wines, but three wines at about the same price. The Bastor is at £174, the Broustet at 188, and the Filhot at 185. So to start with the Bastor, this is always a very fine, elegant style of Sautern. It's that vineyard which is just below Chateau Sudereau, has something of the Sudereau quality of finesse, less violently sweet than maybe the first growths, but tremendous finesse and lovely botrytis. Then Chateau Broustet, always a slightly heavy, almost Nayrac-y kind of texture. So this is definitely verging on dessert wine rather than aperitif wine. Always extremely strong, a lot of tone, a lot of spice, a lot of richness, tremendously pleasing wine. And then the final one, Chateau Filhot, well, this one is an old favorite of many, many people. It has a great amount of minerality, what I call minerality. So it's just like crunching minerals sometimes. It's got that lovely tone, almost like a good Pouligny Montrachet, you know what I mean? It's got that beautiful sort of tensile texture to it. Very sweet. In 2009, extremely sweet. Not much oak influence. That's always been the principle of the Chateau. Keeps the price down, and it doesn't interfere with this tone of minerality. So three wines completely different from each other. Each has its own qualities, each has its own place for consumption. As far as Primeur is concerned, the most successful is always Filhot. People like to have Filhot on Primeur. It tends to open at a very reasonable price, and from then on goes up quite strongly. The other two, I'd say less so. There's maybe less of a reason to buy them on Primeur, and maybe that's the reason that the Bastor Lamontagne and the Broustet were perhaps less good performers on Primeur this year. They will be available probably at 10–20% more later on. So, you know, you have time to look at these again and to get some good value wines in your cellar. Now, I would mention just again that we are offering mixed cases, and if you would like to put in a bottle or two of each of those wines together with some of the first growths, it has the advantage of providing wines that are earlier to drink while you're waiting for the first growths, and also maybe for different occasion drinking, and also averages out the price of the first growths. So I think this has the mixed case has a twofold function, and please take advantage of it. Thank you very much.